And we have an amazing clearance price on a great storage solution for you. And if you look at this and you go, $89.95 is absolute steal for this. We do have 2 colors remaining. You can get this home for $17.99 on any major credit card. 5 drawers of incredible storage for wherever you are, and it's on wheels. I love that. So you can move it from place to place. It comes in bronze or white with this gorgeous gray. When you see how simple it is to set up, you're gonna love it. When you see that it was $120 and worth every penny, and now it's under 90, an incredible savings for you today, over $30. But this is a great end table, extra storage for you anywhere.
So many places in our home where we need that extra storage space. It could be in your den, it can be in your TV room, or it could be in your closet. I just love how this is a nice narrow profile, 11.5 inches deep. It stands 31.5 inches tall, but what's ingenious, I can put this in the back of the closet against the wall. Now I have a place for, you know, extra clothing, extra shoes, extra handbags, but maybe you're thinking, I just need a place that's going to hold, you know, an extra computer. I need a place that actually, this is, you know, a large, you know, laptop that I can actually store, because we're talking, this is quite large. These are nice and deep. These are 2 big extra large drawers that are 15.5 inches deep by 11 and 11. So you can see how large, you see all the space that's inside. Look at this. Look at how much space. You really have a lot of depth in here. So 2 of the extra large drawers. Did you notice how it has this look of canvas?
It really does.
Not canvas.
Well, it looks like wood.
It has the look of wood. They are actually canvas, but it has the look of wood. And then you have 3 of the large drawers, okay? And they're just a little bit more shallow, but I can keep all of my extra packaging supplies. I can keep stamps. I can keep whatever I need. So maybe I have one that is going to work as just a little extra cubby for all of my office essentials. And that is one way to use it. On this particular version that I'm showing you, which is the bronze, the feet are footed. So if you need it to be stationary, it's optional. It comes with the little feet.
Oh, they come with the feet. So that one is footed and
it's optional to you. Okay. Or you can put the little rolling casters on. You receive both, and it's really up to you. Nice. So if you want it to be something that you're going to move and work with you, whether you're knitting or doing your crafts, you could have one that's all your crafts.
That's a beautiful craft station, isn't it?
Perfect for all of your yarns and your knitting needles, okay? You can keep all of your supplies right there. This could be your craft room on wheels if you wanted it to work that way. I love these 3 drawers. I can keep my remnant fabric in here. I can keep my painting supplies, spools of thread, what have you. I love how this is looking like wood.
Really pretty. Now, how do we put it together when we get it home?
When you get it together, you are going to put the 2 frames together, because right here, you can see the bolts that just go right here. You're just going to put the frame together, and then you're going to open up each of the drawers. The drawers actually fold flat. Let me show you.
Oh, how nice.
So the drawers actually fold completely flat, and you can put these away when you're not using them. So here you go.
That's nice, because then too, if you have something that's maybe a little bit taller, like if you wanted to put something taller in there, and then you could use that even on top.
So you can customize it if you wanted to.
Oh, nice.
And this is the type of item that's going to work well for you in your RV, in a dorm room, and especially if you're downsizing from a larger home into a condo or even assisted living. These are the types of pieces that you want around you, because they're lightweight. But instead of being a very heavy dresser drawer, if this was all solid wood, it would be very pricey, and it would be very heavy and not as convenient to move around throughout the house the way you can with this one.
Yeah, so it really does serve so many purposes. It's $89.95. That's our clearance price, and you can get it home on 5 flexible payments of $17.99. Now, if you're new to HSN, you may not realize this, we have a 30-day complete money-back guarantee on everything, even clearance. A lot of times places will be like, well, if it's clearance, it's yours. Here at HSN, you still have that 30-day money-back guarantee. We want you to love it, or we'll take it back, give you your money back. It's item number 592237. You can get on the phone to order yours. You can go to hsn.com. You can download an HSN app. I love it as a computer table, Alexandra.
It works very well as a computer table. You could even put a small flat screen TV, if you had like a 35-inch flat screen TV on its base, it would hold it perfectly. Now this is great. Can you imagine in your guest room. So you can set this up for the guests very easily, put their lamp, put a phone on there, and then your guests now have a drawer that they can actually put their clothing into. You can have a couple of extra throws in these drawers. Remember how nice and deep we're talking about on these drawers, 15.5 inches. And then you have the 3 smaller ones. You can put some unmentionables if you want to. Look at how nice and neat the shirts work here. And then in here, you can have all of your belts. So I bet you can come up with a myriad of ways and a myriad of places in your home where you know you need the extra space, you know you need the extra place to work or to store different items that you're using. But you know, that's what organization and storage is all about. Everything has a place in its home. I love all things home, and all things in your home definitely have a place.
Right, there it is in the white and gray. It looks like a whitewashed wood almost, but it's fabric, so it's nice and light. You don't have any heavy drawers. You don't have to worry about pulling those drawers out and smashing them right on your toe. I'm always thinking about that. But this is the white with the gray, and then we also have it in the bronze. Now, tell us the dimensions again. If you're get ready with a pencil. We also have it on hsn.com. You can always ask an operator as well.
The fact that the width right here, the depth here is only 11 inches. So it's not too narrow, but it's not too wide. So that's why this will work well in the back of a closet or just about anywhere you want to slide this in, because it's only 11 inches in depth. But then it's 31.5 inches tall, whether you choose. It's going to be just a little bit, maybe a ½ inch taller when you have the rolling casters. Remember, you have the option of putting on the rolling casters, or you can have it be stationary with the little footed bottom right here. It's a metal frame, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 little bolts you'll put in with that beautiful wood-like solid top. And then you'll pop in the drawers, and the drawers are deep. We're talking about 15.5 inches by 11 by 11 for the extra large, and then 15.5 inches by 11, and then by 7.5 when it comes with the 3 large. These are extra large, and these are large, 3 and 2. This is 5 drawers.
Nice.
Who doesn't need 5 extra drawers? Doesn't it always seem like you have 1 or 2 drawers that are overpacked, overstuffed, things are falling behind the drawer, you know you need just a little bit extra space, perfect for the closet or anywhere in your home where you need the extra storage.
I love the idea for a college student or someone in temporary housing. It's a great, just additional, nice and lightweight portable if you want that. I don't have a craft room, but I love to do crafts, and I'm always wanting to do them in a different, in someplace else. I don't have a dedicated space. Now you've got a workspace plus a storage space that you can move to anywhere. So it's not just your portable drawers, it's now your portable workspace, your portable craft space, your portable office, whatever you want that to be, you've got it, and it's portable. Now you can move it from place to place. This is the white with the gray. It looks like whitewashed wood, but it's fabric.
It has a little bit of a contemporary or a modern feel because so many of us are very fresh. We're lightening things up. We're adding a little bit more gray to our homes. Anytime we share something that we offer the color gray, they always seem to fly out the door, especially when it comes to anything in our furnishings. And so I know you'll enjoy this whitewashed, the white with the gray. But then if you are staying with your neutral colors, or you prefer to go with your richer tones, or you have a lot of browns or tans in your home, you're going to love the bronze. It is brown, and of course it's got that nice hard surface that even accommodates a flat screen TV, a small one, or your all-in-one computer. You could put your HP on here, you could put your laptop on here, you could even put a lamp or your phones on here, as you can see that we've styled it here.
Nice and durable, and you wouldn't be able to put a lamp on it if it wasn't nice and sturdy. Yet you can put it with the wheels or without. The wheels lock. They're those caster wheels.
Yep, you can lock the wheels and have them stay in place if you prefer to have it stationary with the locking rolling casters just like that. Or you can put on these little feet. You see the little footed feet that are on. I like that we give you the options. You'll receive them in your package and when you put this together. And I love how it's got the steel frame, so this is very easy.
It's easy and easy to get home. $17.99. Thanks, Alexandra.
You're welcome.
You know who's back? Juliana Rancic. Take a look.